How to fix WhatsApp's black screen when playing voice messages on Samsung. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, open your settings, then go to apps, simply find WhatsApp, and then on its storage section, simply tap on clear data, clear cache and clear data. So yeah, that's it. But sometimes this problem also occurs due to server issues. Consider updating your application and you will be done. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.